How to fix OPPO Reno 7 Pro or OPPO Reno 7 Lite network problem. Hello friends, hope you're doing good, and in this video tutorial, as I already told you, I'm gonna show you how you can solve OPPO Reno 7 Pro or 7 Lite network issue or mobile data not working problem. So before I starting video, don't forget to subscribe as a solution channel for more latest videos. So to fix OPPO Reno 7 Pro or 7 Lite network issue, simply first of all just open settings and do the same as I'm showing you in this video.